Bangladesh now, the Chattogram court has rejected the bail plea of ISKCON monk Chinmoy Krishna Das Prabhu in a sedition case. Okay, we have some breaking news right now. First, we have some update from West Bengal. Now, Bengal LOP is Shubhendu Adhikari on the same matter is reacting. Shubhendu Adhikari, the leader of opposition, BJP leader, saying that the Bangladeshi government is being controlled by the radicals and calling out the Yunus regime. He's putting out a statement. Remember, viewers, this is coming in as Shubhendu Adhikari, as Chinmoy Krishna Das Prabhu's bail plea was rejected today, and he has been in jail for more than a month now. And Shubhendu Adhikari said that the Yunus government is being completely controlled by the radicals and that this condition was very much expected. And right after viewers, the Chinmoy, the ISKCON monk's bail plea was rejected. There was chaos that unfolded outside the court. And remember, we saw how Chinmoy Das Prabhu was struggling to even get legal aid in Bangladesh after he was. In fact, we have a reaction from Shubhendu Adhikari. Take a listen in.
ये होने वाला था, वहाँ का सरकार पूरा कम्प्लीटली रेडिकल फोर्स का हाथ में चलाई है, एक्सट्रीमिस्ट फोर्स का हाथ। जंगीवाद, एक्सट्रीमिस्ट, उन लोग का काठपुतली सरकार है। वो प्रो पाकिस्तानी और जो राजाकार जो 71 का वार में और जो बांग्लादेश का फॉर्मेशन हुआ था, उस वक्त जिन्होंने पाकिस्तान का साथ सपोर्ट किया था, उसका सरकार चल रहा है। वो जो बोलेगा वो होगा। ये डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी को जिस तरीके से स्लो पॉइजन करके ये लोग खत्म कर दिया, ये हालत होने वाला है। इसको विश्व कम्युनिटी को, देश बड़ा जो कंट्री है, उसको आगे आकर सबक सिखाना भी पड़ेगा और उसको कुछ कार्रवाई भी होना चाहिए।
My colleague Vidita joins us live on the broadcast from the R Bangla newsroom in Kolkata. Well, Vidita, tell us more updates about what really happened in court as Chinmoy Das Prabhu's bail plea got rejected.
Correct, Rakshita. So today the bail hearing, the plea hearing started at 11 a.m. at the Bangladesh time, and it started very peacefully, as we get to understand. But the judgment did not come in favor of Chinmoy Krishna Das Prabhu, and he was rejected. The bail plea was rejected after Prabhuji was arrested on 25th of November by the Metropolitan Dhaka police, and it's been more than a month that he's been arrested and kept inside the jail, where his assistants are not being allowed to give him food or give him medical assistance. Earlier this week, he had also fallen sick. He was hospitalized. But today, when he was brought to the court, and after 11 Supreme Court lawyers flew from Dhaka to Chattogram High Court, they were again rejected. Their plea was again rejected. We remember that on 12th of December, a senior advocate, Ravindra Ghosh, had gone ahead and presented the plea at the High Court and said that if he could meet Chinmoy Krishna Das Prabhu, instead his car was attacked, his car was vandalized, and the next day when he was also given a date, he was denied again to meet him. So nobody as of now in this 1 month has been allowed to meet Krishna Prabhuji, nor has been allowed to give him food. He has been fallen sick repetitively. The Yunus government has not taken any action or care about that. Today also, when the court rejected his plea, the Jamati lawyers started their attack on the Hindu lawyers who had gone to the Chattogram court today. They called them the agents of ISKCON, they called them the agents of India, and then there was a harassment inside the court premises that we have understood as of now. Also, no judgment copy, proper detailed copy has been presented, neither a recent date has been provided as of now. Back to you.
Right, Rita. Thank you so much for joining us with those details coming in, viewers, on that story. In fact, we're also getting in reaction from ISKCON Kolkata Vice President Radharaman Das, who's extended support to Chinmoy Das Prabhu, calling him the face of minorities in Bangladesh. Listen in.
ये बहुत दुखद खबर है। हम जानते हैं कि पूरे विश्व की नजर इस हियरिंग पर थी और सभी लोग आशा कर रहे थे कि 9 वर्ष में चिन्मय कृष्ण प्रभु को मुक्ति मिलेगी, वो आजाद होंगे। लेकिन 42 दिन के बाद भी जब ये आज हियरिंग हुई तो उनके बेल को रिजेक्ट कर दिया गया। लेकिन एक पॉजिटिव खबर ये है कि एटलीस्ट आज उनके जो 10-11 लॉयर थे वो आज वो लोग उनके पक्ष में खड़े होकर कोर्ट में उनका पक्ष रख सके। हम यही आशा करते हैं, अभी हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं कि वो डिटेल्ड ऑर्डर उनका बेल क्यों रिजेक्ट हुआ है उसका वेट किया जा रहा है। और बांग्लादेश गवर्नमेंट को इंश्योर करना चाहिए कि चिन्मय कृष्ण प्रभु को जस्टिस मिले। तो ये जो खबर आई है बहुत ही दुखद है। ये तो एक्चुअली डिटेल्ड ऑर्डर देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा कि किस ग्राउंड पर उनके बेल को रिजेक्ट किया गया है। लेकिन पूरा विश्व की नजर इस पर थी। हम जानते हैं कि किस तरह ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट से लेकर अमेरिकन पॉलिटिशियंस भी इस विषय पर चर्चा कर रहे थे और सभी लोग चिन्मय कृष्ण दास के अरेस्ट को लेकर बहुत चिंतित थे। और एक ब्रह्मचारी जो लास्ट 40-42 दिन से जेल में है, एक साधु जिसकी तबीयत भी ठीक नहीं है, ये सुनने में आ रहा है क्योंकि तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, उसको इस तरह जेल में कन्फाइन करके रखना ये बहुत ही दुखद है। और हम सब जानते हैं कि चिन्मय कृष्ण प्रभु पूरे जो माइनॉरिटीज है बांग्लादेश के उनके वो चेहरे बन गए थे और चेहरे बने हुए हैं और पूरे जो माइनॉरिटीज उनको एक आशा की किरण की तरह देखते हैं क्योंकि उनकी आवाज को वो रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं।